Okay, guys, listen up, especially those who have teenage children from Form 1 to Form 6. I'm giving what do you call it, cooking classes from Sunday onwards. I'm not having it on Saturday, 23rd of May, because I have a picnic at Dataran Merdeka from 5 p.m. to midnight. You're all welcome to go to that picnic. It's organized by Greenpeace in conjunction with KL Festival 2026. The information is another video. But with school holidays coming up from this Saturday until June 7th, I'll be giving cooking classes. Now, the cooking is an important life skill that everyone should know. And the younger you are to learn how to cook, the better it is for you. And also, I'll be teaching you the science of cooking for the school kids, okay? You have to be at least in Form 1, a teenager, because I don't want to have to discipline naughty children because the parents will get angry if I discipline their children. So you have to be able to have some kind of self-discipline because I'll be teaching you knife skills. And if you don't have discipline, and if you don't handle knives properly, you could pose a danger not just to yourself, but to other people as well, to other participants. So I need you to be at least Form 1. And why I'm having these classes, like I said, cooking is an important life skill. And also 50% of Malaysians are overweight and 30% are obese, okay? So we are a nation of fat, sick, and nearly dead people. So to make Malaysia a better Malaysia, we have to be the best versions of ourselves. Now, why am I qualified to teach? Because I used to be obese. Now I am having a BMI of 22.8. So I've done it, and it's not that difficult. But the younger you are that you learn, you can develop it as a habit, as a lifelong habit, and you can stay healthy for the rest of your life. I will also relate it to the science you learn in the school. So you'll learn what a carbohydrate is, what a protein is, what amino acids are, what a monosaccharide is, what a what do you call it, disaccharide is, what is a polysaccharide, what is a oligosaccharide, what is a starch, what oils, what are fats, what are lipids, things like that. Okay, so I'll relate it to what you learn in school. If you're not at that level yet, I will teach you in very simplistic terms. You know, what is an emulsion, what is a mixture, and what is an emulsifying agent, and stuff like that. I also have taken a course in gastronomic science from the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, and I've taken all the Stanford University courses on food and nutrition, child nutrition, all that. So I think I'm more than qualified. I've written more than 30 books on nutrition, all of which you can download for free, okay, from Z Library. I'll give you the link shortly. So, yeah. And the best part is the fees. Okay, the fees are by donation. So we need to buy the raw materials. So each participant should have at least 20 ringgit lah. That's be more than enough. But not more than 20 ringgit to buy the raw materials, and we will cook. I will also teach you how to choose stuff to buy and all that. So you'll have very good training for your children, and it's a lifelong skill. And if they eat healthy, they don't have to be in that 50% of Malaysians who are overweight or 30% who are obese. Okay. So the fees are the best part by donation. So there's more than one class. It's not a fixed day or anything. I just need 3 people minimum to run a class. So get your friends and come together. Parents are welcome to chaperone. My class, I can fit maximum 12 people, including parents who want to help and volunteer to chaperone. But ideally, 6 to 8 students would be best. Then it's easier to manage and control the class. Otherwise, kelang kabut sangat. Okay, so I'll give you my details, how you can contact me. And what do you call it? You can make a reservation. Okay, you need at least 3 people. So get your friends to come and join you, and only contact me once you have at least 3 people. Okay, and then we'll fix a time and a day, and we'll have the class. Preferably, if you want to go to the Pasar Malam, it's Mondays and Thursdays. From what do you call it? Pasar Malam is from 5 onwards. If you want to buy things at the Pasar Malam, if you want to buy things from the Kedai Runcit, then any day is fine. Yeah, there's one Kedai Runcit that closes on Fridays, but others are open on Fridays. There's another that's closed on Thursdays, but others are open. So any day is fine. Just contact me. Make sure I'm not already booked for another class, or class is full or whatever. And we can do this. Okay, the reason I'm doing it by donation is because I don't want the lack of money to be a stumbling block to your children learning this vital life skill. So pay me whatever you can afford, basically not more than 5% of your monthly income. Okay, that's it. So YouTube has these funny rules to do with Personal Data Protection Act. So I have to give you my phone number in code. Otherwise, it will trigger their whatever. So figure out the code, okay? See if you're smart enough to do that. If you're smart enough to do that, then you're eligible to come for my class.
About the author. Aslan Adnan, M.A., is a writer and independent researcher whose work focuses on nutrition science, food systems, and the biological foundations of human health. His writing examines how natural foods contain complex compounds that interact with human physiology in ways that may support long-term well-being. He has a particular interest in plant-based bioactive compounds such as polyphenols, carotenoids, flavonoids, and other phytochemicals found in fruits, vegetables, herbs, spices, algae, and fungi. His research explores how these compounds function in plants and how they may influence human nutrition when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Aslan approaches nutrition from a multidisciplinary perspective, drawing on biochemistry, plant biology, and public health nutrition. His work aims to translate complex scientific concepts into clear explanations so that readers can better understand the nutritional value of everyday foods. He is the author of several books examining natural sources of antioxidants and other dietary compounds. Author of the Antioxidant series, Antioxidants in Herbs and Spices, Antioxidants in Algae, Microalgae, and Fungi, Antioxidants in Fruits and Vegetables, Antioxidants in Nuts and Seeds, Antioxidants in Berries. Author of the Nutrient series, Macronutrients, Volume 1, Carbohydrates, Macronutrients, Volume 2, Lipids, Macronutrients, Volume 3, Proteins, Micronutrients, Vitamins, Trace Elements, and Minerals, Anti-nutrients, the hidden blockers in your food, Phytonutrients, the quiet power of plants, Water, the forgotten fourth, a macronutrient you can't ignore, other books on health and nutrition, Tuberculosis Briefing Paper, 2nd edition, Aslan's 5-Powder Manifesto, Eating the Greek Way, How Cultural Habits Support Health Without Trying, Ideology on a Plate, How Robert F. Kennedy Jr. Turned U.S. Dietary Guidelines into a Scientific Farce, Maslow in 2026, A Practical Guide to Actual Needs, Not Scrollable Wishes. These works form part of an ongoing series exploring the chemistry, biological roles, and nutritional significance of bioactive compounds in plant foods. Through his writing, Aslan advocates a practical food-first approach to nutrition. His work emphasizes whole foods, dietary diversity, and balanced eating patterns rather than reliance on isolated nutrients or supplements. He holds a Master of Arts in International Business and Management from the University of Westminster in London, and writes extensively on nutrition science, health, and food-based approaches to long-term well-being. Aslan Adnan, the quiet revolutionary of real food writing. Aslan Adnan, M.A., is a Malaysian polymath who's spent decades turning food into philosophy. Raw, unfiltered, no hype. You won't find him pushing superfoods or miracle diets. He dissects what actually works. Whole plants, spices, microbes, and the quiet chemistry that keeps bodies humming. With over 30 books, self-published, shared freely on Z Library, Facebook groups, Telegram channels, Aslan's output is prolific. Part manifesto, part manual. Early works like Spring Has Sprung, a psychological thriller, and travelogues On the Road to the East Coast reveal his roots in journalism, advertising, and storytelling. But nutrition became his mission. Educated with a Master of Arts in International Business and Management from the University of Westminster, London, he taught at the School of Management, Royal Holloway, London, while pursuing doctoral research in business strategy and environmental management, specializing in the international timber trade. That academic backbone, rigor, systems thinking, sustainability, bleeds into his food writing. No fluff, just evidence. The core series, the Macronutrients Trilogy, Volume 1 on carbohydrates, glucose, fiber, metabolism, Volume 2 on lipids, fats, omega-3s, inflammation, Volume 3 on proteins, repair, enzymes, muscle. Then micronutrients, water, and anti-nutrients, the plant world's double-edged sword. Anti-nutrients are naturally occurring compounds in whole foods, phytates, oxalates, lectins, goitrogens, that can bind minerals, block enzymes, or mess with absorption. They evolved as plant defenses, but in us, they steal iron from spinach, calcium from kale, or spike gut irritation from raw beans. Variety wins. 30 plants a week, not monodiets. Raw's romantic, but cooked smarter. Add spice blends like Aslan's 5-powder manifesto, turmeric mixes for real anti-inflammation, and you've got a library that says, eat wide, not weird. Why release it all into the public domain? Because knowledge isn't currency. It's oxygen. Aslan watched corporations gatekeep health, paywalls on papers, patented supplements, proprietary blends that hide what works. He refuses. His books aren't for sale. They're for spread. No DRM, no ads, no ego. Just files anyone can download, print, share. He says it plain. If one person in a kampong swaps white rice for brown or steams kailan instead of boiling it, that's the win, not royalties. He's no gatekeeper. His Facebook, Aslan Green Party, Instagram, and YouTube drop bite-sized truths. Traffic light WFPB guides, eye health talks on lutein, vegan journeys. He credits tradition, curries, forest mushrooms, seaweed from tides, and lives it. Unpeeled carrots, home ferments, no moralizing. 30-plus titles aren't about volume. They're depth. Carbs to phytonutrients, water to gut bugs. Aslan doesn't sell health. He hands you the tools. Read him and your plate changes. Not because you're broken, because you're built for better.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support.